discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Can I come in?
You remember the old Bill, right?
You had a 12 trunk wheel when you couldn't open the trunk those blue.
Yep.
What's your name and what's in here?
My name is Demetrius. Everybody call me Meat. Bossman Impala on everything, social media.
Okay. Bossman Impala.
So we got 4 Resilient Sound Platinum 15 custom parts. On the Taramps base 15K.
Okay. What's your port change here right now?
Around 28, 29.
Okay. Can I see the back?
It's a little ugly back there.
At least I can see the amp.
I can open the trunk now and fix it.
I like the doors. Wow. Is that 210s? Or is it 12s? Oh,
I never wore no head. Oh, the head back there. My bad.
It's alright? It's a base.
Taramps base 15K. And then PRV 6K on the mids.
Awesome. Appreciate it, man. Yes, sir. It's all good.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around. We got a Bossman's Impala system. Was pretty impressed to get a really good 3-minute demo with me inside, and then I got 3 minutes with 2 songs outside with a reaction of the guy that got in. I went ahead and put the previous link in the description as well. When I got a demo from Slamfest about 2 years prior to this, this is what the thumbnail was at the time. I recommend checking that out so you can kind of see where he came from as a trunk system, where he broke his hatch during that demo, and now, of course, he has a walled 415-inch subwoofer system. Didn't really like the mess at the back, but he was able to show us because, hey, he was nice to let us see what it looked like, even though it wasn't the most cleanest install possible. And didn't find out how much lithium that was. I guess it's a little over 80 amp hours of lithium bank, and I know he has a high output alternator as well. With all of the power he has ran on tap, and if you notice the way his port was extended out, that helped with the low end. I could definitely play the lows really well during the demo. And when I got some outside flex, you're going to see that windshield was flexing a good bit. And the subs pretty much were rated at 2,000 watts RMS. Being a recone system, I don't know exactly what level brand those were, but they are pretty impressive to see how low they responded. So we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos and enjoy.
All right.
chain. I heard. Think it came with stripes, but you ain't straight with the game. Don't get
Where's the low shoe? I can have my hair in the middle. What was that peak frequency at the high end?
58.
58? Ooh! Yeah. I get my nose down and my turn. Yeah. You're JacobViral?
baby, it's DJ Rusticles. What's the business, baby? I've been on your own plate in the malls, lady. You looking good. I think I seen your ass in the hood with your friends dressed up, trying to flirt. Be good, but anyway, gonna drop a number or something so I